Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going in for salmon, as you can see there. So guys, today I'll be doing a salmon and mashed potato recipe. Yes guys, I can't be bothered to do my own mash, so I'm going in with the packet mash today. Forgive me for that guys, you know your girl likes to do her own mash, but today I'm going in for the packet mash. So guys, sit back, watch and enjoy as we start this cooking. So guys, before we actually start the cooking, I'm going to be making a garlic butter sauce to go with the salmon. So here I'm going to be putting 2 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to go straight in with some garlic granules. I'm going straight in with some lemon juice. And here you have some fish sauce. And here I'm coming again guys with some garlic again, and this is like chopped laser garlic. And I have some chopped parsley here. So this is all we'll be using to make the sauce for the salmon. And it doesn't need to stay on for long. It's just to make that garlic butter sauce. So now guys, I'm adding some red chili flakes inside of it. So now we're just gonna rest this aside and start on our salmon. So guys, as you can see, I have my cast iron pot on the stove. So I'm just gonna let it warm very much, get very heated, because I'll just be using a drizzle of olive oil. So I'm just gonna drizzle over the iron. And guys, if you haven't got one of this cast iron pot, you really need to get one. It is really good in your kitchen. So now I'll be adding the salmon to it, and I haven't put on the sauce that I made from it yet. So there's just 3 of us in this household, but I've managed to get 4 nice slices out of the salmon. And what I'm going to do with the sauce that I made, I'm just going to just smother it a bit over on it. And the aroma that is coming from it already, this sauce tastes delicious and it looks delicious as well. So after about 3 minutes on the side, I'm just turning it over. So now guys, we're just going to turn it back over again for the final cooking. You can see that it's almost cooked already. So just make sure it's on the lowest heat, and you can cover it down. And after covering it, you can turn it off, and the rest of the steam will cook the salmon. So now it's time to make my mash. And guys, I'll be doing my mash off camera. You have already seen me how I do my mashed potato. On second thoughts, I decided to do my mashed potato on camera. So guys, I'm going to be going in with some butter. Then I'll be adding some fresh milk to the butter. And I'm going to put this in the microwave to melt. So guys, this is how my milk and butter look after melted, and I'm just going to go in with a bit of water. Then I'm going to go straight in with my mash. Then we start our mashing. So now guys, our mash is ready, nice and creamy. Look at that. So now it's time for service time. Oh, this looking nice. Guys, all my African community out there, I've never ever had pounded yam in my life, but my son keep trying to convince me to have it. He said that it tastes like mashed potato. Can somebody write in the comment section to tell me whether or not pounded yam tastes like mashed potato? So guys, it's now time for service time, and I'm going in with some veg first, some nice fresh green veg. Yes guys, always make sure to put a bit of veg in your dinner whenever you're having your meal. And now it's time to go in with the salmon. Look at that. Isn't that looking amazing? So there you go guys, this is my quick and easy salmon recipe. Guys, if you like this recipe, give it a try and tell me what you think about it. Thank you for watching. As always, God bless you. Bye bye.